Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying authorization. You must be the account owner or an approved admin. Once confirmed, open your organization's SSO portal and select the account recovery or forgot password option. Make sure you have your employee number or ID, plus access to the listed recovery channel like email, phone, or authenticator app. This speeds verification and prevents lockouts. If you can't reach the portal, note the support phone or ticket system so you can proceed without guessing credentials. Once you trigger recovery, follow the verification flow step by step. The system may send a code to your phone or email, prompt your authenticator app, or ask security questions. Enter codes exactly and avoid pasting extra spaces. This ensures acceptance. Make sure to perform these steps from an allowed network. Use your corporate VPN if the portal restricts locations. If asked, provide concise employee details like hire date or department to confirm identity. After verification, proceed to reset with a strong, unique password. Now create a new password that's long and unique. A passphrase or combination of unrelated words plus symbols works well. Once done, immediately enable or confirm multi-factor authentication and register a backup method like a secondary email or hardware token. Store the new credential in an approved password manager so you don't have to write it down. If anything fails, codes don't arrive or verification won't accept, you should open a support ticket, provide the ticket ID, and ask IT to escalate for manual verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.